Front loaders versus top loaders. Front loaders, the energy-efficient champions. Front-loading washing machines are renowned for their energy efficiency. They use less water and energy compared to top-loading machines, making them a sustainable choice. However, they can be more expensive upfront and require careful maintenance to prevent mold and mildew. Top loaders with horizontal access drums, a hybrid approach. Top-loading machines with horizontal access drums offer a blend of traditional top-loading convenience and front-loading efficiency. They are generally more affordable than front loaders and easier to load, but their energy and water consumption can be higher. True top loaders, the classic choice. True top-loading machines with vertical access drums are the classic washing machine design. They are affordable, easy to use, and can handle larger loads. However, they tend to use more water and energy than front loaders and can be less gentle on delicate fabrics. Capacity: how much can you wash? Front-loading machines often offer larger capacities, allowing you to wash more clothes in fewer loads. Top-loading machines, both horizontal and vertical access, generally have smaller capacities. Water and energy efficiency, a green choice. Front-loading machines are the most energy-efficient option, followed by top-loaders with horizontal access drums. True top-loaders tend to be the least energy-efficient. Gentle on fabrics, protecting your clothes. Front-loading machines are known for their gentle washing action, making them ideal for delicate fabrics. Top-loading machines, especially true top-loaders, can be harsher on clothes. Ease of use: a simple wash. Top-loading machines, both horizontal and vertical access, are generally easier to use and load than front loaders. Front loaders can be more challenging to load, especially for larger items. Maintenance: keeping your machine clean. Front-loading machines require more maintenance to prevent mold and mildew. Top-loading machines are generally easier to clean. Price: the cost of clean clothes. Front-loading machines tend to be more expensive upfront, but their long-term energy savings can offset the initial cost. Top-loading machines are generally more affordable. Choosing the right machine for your needs. When choosing a washing machine, consider your budget, lifestyle, and laundry needs. If energy efficiency and gentle care for your clothes are top priorities, a front-loading machine is a great choice. If ease of use and affordability are more important, a top-loading machine may be a better option.